Good morning, students. Today we're going to read a story together. It's called The Disobedient Frog, and this is part 1.
Now, this is how we will read. First, you will listen carefully to me. Then, we will read it together. Are you ready? Let's begin.
All right, let's start our story. It's about 3 friends who are frogs.
Listen carefully. Once upon a time, there lived 3 frogs. Now, let's read that together. Once upon a time, there lived 3 frogs. Very good.
Okay, so the words once upon a time. Well, that's a special way we start stories. In Urdu, it means ek dafa ka zikr hai.
And 3 frogs in Urdu is teen mendak. Well done, everyone.
Okay, the next sentence. Listen, they were good friends. Right, now read with me. They were good friends.
Good friends mean अच्छे दोस्त. Excellent reading. Now, let's see what these good friends do next.
Okay, so one of the frogs has an idea. He wants to do something new and exciting. Let's find out what he says.
Listen to what he says. We should try something new today. Now, you read it with me. We should try something new today.
And he has another idea. Listen, let us go to the forest and climb trees. Okay, let's say that together. Let us go to the forest and climb trees.
So what is a forest? It's a big place with lots and lots of trees. In Urdu, we say jungle. And the word climb, that means to go up. In Urdu, it is chardana. Great job, everyone. So he wants to go to the forest. But what about his friends? Are they excited? Well, they seem a bit worried.
Listen to what his friends say. It can be dangerous. We should take their permission first. They sound very sensible, don't they?
That last part is very, very important. Let's read just that bit together. Ready? We should take their permission first. Well done.
The word here is permission. Permission means you ask if it is okay before you do something. In Urdu, it's ijazat.
So, his friends gave him some good advice. But did the first frog listen? Let's see what he decided to do.
Listen to what he says. I will go alone. Now let's read that together. I will go alone.
And alone means you are by yourself, with no one else. In Urdu, it is akela. Good.
Oh dear. Listen, the frog did not listen to his friends and started jumping to the forest. Okay, let's read that all together. The frog did not listen to his friends and started jumping to the forest.
So, the important words here are did not listen. Let's say that one more time. Did not listen.
When you did not listen, it means you did not do what you were told. That's why our story is called The Disobedient Frog. In Urdu, it means Bat Namani.
And that's where we are going to stop for today. So the frog is going to the forest all by himself. I wonder what will happen next.
Very good, students. You did some wonderful reading today. We will continue the lesson in the next video. Thank you and goodbye for now.